Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm is a greedy technique algorithm used to find the minimum spanning tree of a connected and undirected graph. A minimum spanning tree is a subset of the edge that connects all vertices with the minimum possible total edge weight and no form any cycles. There are four steps in the Kruskal algorithm. First step, sort all edges. It is an ascending order of a weight. It is depend upon the weight of the edges and initialize each node as its own set. Third step, pick smallest edges and check if does not form cycle. Add it to the minimum spanning tree. If it is a cycle is formed, ignore it. Repeat until the minimum spanning tree has v1 minus h 1 minus h, where v represents the number of vertices in the graph. And consider the following graph for the Kruskal algorithm, where 0 is connected to 1 with the weight of 2, and 0 is connected to 3 to the weight of 6, and 1 is connected to all the edges uh, 0 with 0 2, with 3 weight of 3 8, with 4 weight of 5, with 2 weight of 3. The 4 is connected to the 2 and 3 and 1. The weight of the 2 and 4 is 7. The weight of the 1 and 4 is 5. And 4 and 3 is 9. First of all, we should check the edges of 0, where the edges of 0 is 0 to 1, where the weight is 2, and the edges of 0, 3, where the weight is 6, and write it down. And write the edges of 1 and its weights, where the edges of 1 is 1, 2, and 1, 4, and 1, 3, where the weights are given below 3, 5, 8. The edges of 2 and their weight is 2, 4, and 7. There is a one notable point in the Kruskal algorithm where where the edges are not repeated in a same time, where 0, 1 is already there, so we does not need to write the edges of 1 equal to 1, 0, because we are already written the 0, 1. If this 0, 1 and 1, 0 is equal, so there is no need to rewrite the edges in weight 1, which is edges of weight 1, and edges of 3 is 3, 4, and the weight of the respectable edge is 9. The edges of 4 is nothing but, because already f has edges 2 and 3, we have already written in the edges of 2, 4, and the edges of 3 in 3, 4. So there is no edges is in the 4, because we already written in the other edges, and we have to find the all edges and their weights. Now it's time to calculate the ascending order of the given edges and rewrite the manner. First of all, the minimum in the Kruskal algorithm, we have to find the minimum weight of the edges node. We have 2 is the minimum weight of the edge. 0, 1 is the minimum weight of the edge, and we have written in firstly, and 1, 2 is second, where the weight is 3, and 1, 4 is third, where the weight is 5, and 0, 3 where the weight is 6, and 2, 4 where the weight is 7, and 1, 3 where the weight is 8, and 3, 4 where the weight is 9. Now we draw the minimum spanning tree for the given graph using the Kruskal algorithm. First of all, we use the ascending order list, sorted list. First one is 0, 1, where the weight is 2. Draw the 0 to 1 where the weight is 2, and 1 comma 2, draw the 0 to 1 and connected to the and draw a 2 and connected with 1 where the weight is 3, and 1 comma 4 where the weight is 5, draw the 4 and connected with 1 where which weight is 5, and 0 comma 3 where the weight is 6, draw the 3 and connected with 0 the weight is 6, and 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4 if we connect 2 comma 4 it will form the cycle, so it does not comes under the Kruskal algorithm because the cycle is formed, uh, and we will take the 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 if you draw 1 comma 3 the cycle will be formed between 0 1 3, so that is not to take that 1 comma 3, and 3 comma 4 if we uh, if we connect 3 comma 4 it will form the cycle between 0 1 4 and 3, so no need to take that last three values 2 comma 4 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 4. And now calculate the uh, connected graph weights and total cost will be calculated. First of all 0 comma 1 is 2 and 1 comma 2 is 3, upper 2 plus 3 5, and then 1 comma 4 is 5, upper 5 plus 5 10, and then 0 comma 3 so where the weight is 6, so 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. The total cost of the given graph is 16 using the Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm is used to for the shortest path or minimum spanning tree to draw a graph. Thank you for watching this